Hi guys, I don't know if you remember when I cleaned up this switchback, this massive log or tree top fallen on it. And check this out, the tree that I thought it's over, it's actually alive. It's growing these branches all over the place, left and right. So she is back. And also what the top cleaned out here, this young tree, the top, you can still see where it snapped. It's very much alive, it's coming back. Nature is amazing. It's just coming back nicely. Just makes me happy. So cool. Alrighty, I'll see you later guys.